Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on the roaming clock in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn the roaming clock on, we have to go to Settings, then we're looking for lock screen, and roaming clock is here. What does it do? As you can see, show the time both where you are and at home while you're roaming. So if this option is turn off, when we change time zone with our phone, the time won't change to new time. It will have the previously set time. So if we turn on roaming clock, when we change the time zone, the time will change too. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.